There's the secret recipe. Bush beans, where they all come from. And here's the cafe. They have this little cafe here with some amazing food. Then they have the store next door and the museum. It's really cool. And of course over there is the factory where all Bush beans come from. And then over there is the house where A.J. Bush lived. I wonder if we're gonna get that secret recipe in here. This just opened back up about a month ago, so it's kind of busy. Very nice here though. Pretty flowers.
Are you a detective? Filming somebody in the room cheating on their wife?
No, YouTube.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Are you putting out one of those videos too? Somebody just did that not too long ago, and then we had a huge surge.
Yeah, there's Yankee in the South.
Yeah. Are you a Yankee?
What's that?
Are you a Yankee?
No, that's who the people
Oh,
that
the
did
other
it.
folks, yeah.
Yeah, no, we're from further south than here.
Oh, okay. Say welcome, Yankee.
So we're here at Bush Beans Cafe, and while we're here eating lunch, we're also watching a live broadcast on YouTube
To help us build our channel.
to help us help our channel.
Yeah.
So we're gonna enjoy some food and hopefully some good information. They got some good specials today. Meatloaf, mashed potatoes, and green peas. Taco Fiesta is the bean of the day, and then they've got some homemade pies. I'm thinking about trying that pinto bean pecan. Oh, somebody tried to go out the wrong way. So the alarm kept going off, and finally got it shut off.
Yay!
Yeah.
But the
The
kicker
people,
is
it wasn't their fault, it
No.
was the people that didn't read the sign.
customers. Yeah, they didn't even set it off, but they opened the back door.
Right, that's specifically marked. Do not exit. The alarm was sound. And
terrible.
yeah, took a little while to get it shut off, but it's good.
But they came around and they told us that they were comping our lunch.
Yeah, that's kind of crazy.
Right, because we had to
I did not
listen to
expect that at
sound.
all.
Wow,
Yeah.
I wouldn't have expected that. You know, maybe a free drink.
That doesn't mean come here and open the door to get everybody free lunch.
No, it does not. Maybe we should cut that out.
But
We apologize for that.
Somebody opened the door.
They did. For whatever reason, it wouldn't reset.
yeah, I saw y'all over there trying to get
We're trying to
the
key, we're trying to everything. It just wouldn't work. So we're going to have our ADT, our security service, look at that. But I wanted to let you know we don't think that's right, so we're going to comp everybody.
Appreciate that. Did not expect that, but yeah, thank you.
No problem. Hope y'all enjoy.
Thank you. Salad was mine. Okay, so I got the chef salad, and holy cow, it's a huge chef salad. THMS.
see if we can learn this secret recipe for the beans.
The dog knows it.
What? I don't think Duke's around anymore. It is?
I haven't seen him, but he's there.
It's a cool little spot out here in the country. That road goes across the lake. Douglas Lake. Over to Dandridge.
Well, welcome to the Bush Visitor Center. Here's the museum. You can go through, everything's free of charge. You do it at your own pace. They do have a movie that starts on every half hour. It's about a 20-minute presentation, the history of the Bush family, and it takes you through the whole plant from the time it starts to everything's shipped out. And there's a lot of exhibits there and a lot of videos, and then you get your picture made with Duke up there for free, and then you can come back and shop in here.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you all.
It's a little thing for kids. It's awesome. I love it.
Yeah. Look for Duke's paw prints. Uh-oh.
Only Duke and I know Bush's secret family recipe, and he'll never tell.
Duke, he has a lot going on inside that little doghouse. That's the home outside. Across from the parking lot there.
We've got a machine that crimps the ends on with a rubber composition gasket to keep them tight. It's slow, but with your help, I think we can figure out a way to speed it up. You know, it seems to me that canners should be able to fill and close these faster than the old holding cap can. And it'll cut their cost down. What's it called, Harry? A sanitary can.
There's the secret recipe. Don't get too close.
Little containers of peppermints.
That's funny. So that was Bush's Beans General Store and Museum and the cafe.
It's pretty interesting.
Yeah, definitely worth a trip out here.
Yeah.
Get out
different.
of the,
craziness
craziness
and busyness
and-
of the city. Or
yeah, and come out here in the country a little bit and check this out.
it's a nice little drive.
It's cool.
We definitely recommend it.
Oh yeah.